Hi, I'm Dr. Collins Harrell. I'm going to show you the simple steps for using the new design service when ordering Medit aligners. First, we need to create the patient in MeditLink. If you used a Medit scanner, you will have already created the patient and entered patient details in MeditLink. If you're importing a scan from another scanner, create a new patient case and use the paperclip icon to upload the scan and attach it to your case. Also use the paperclip icon to upload all patient photos and radiographs before clicking the MOS icon to launch Medit Ortho Suite. When MOS opens, drag and drop the scan data, radiographs, and patient photos to their assigned locations. While radiographs and photographs are not required when submitting a case to the design team, we do recommend it so that the designers can return their very best work. The Design Service button can be clicked at any stage of the workup in Medit Ortho Suite. You can send to designers right from the start or complete the whole MOS workup and then mark your desired simulation. The design team will pick up and continue the case from any stage and complete the setup according to your instructions. Once you have clicked the Design Service button, you'll be prompted to complete the Design Service form to provide treatment details and specific requests for the design team to follow. When complete, confirm and submit the design request in MOS, then track the order status in the Medit Ortho portal that can be accessed through MOS or by visiting meditortho.com. Within 48 hours, you will have a design ready for you to review and approve or modify. You'll receive an email notification from which you can open the design setup, or you can access the setup from your meditortho.com portal. After reviewing the setup, click the Complete button located in the bottom right-hand corner to approve the case. You'll also have the option to modify the setup by submitting comments back to the designer, in which case a new setup will be available within 24 hours, or reject and cancel the case completely. When you approve the setup, you will be directed to finalize the order and make payment. You'll have the option to order the entire series of aligners or enter a specific number of stages if you prefer a staged approach. You can also modify the order to include passive aligners, retainers, or change the stage at which the attachment template is fabricated. Templates are fabricated using stage 0 by default if you like placing the attachments at the start of treatment, or you can remove the default from the order and add templates for stage 2, for example, if you want to place the attachments before delivering aligners at stage 3. When the order details and payment are complete, production will begin and delivery is expected in 7 to 10 days. Thanks so much for choosing Medit aligners. We look forward to supporting you and helping you any way we can. Scan that QR code to book a Medit aligners demo. Thanks.